Hello friends, welcome back. In this video we will see what is data caching. Basically, in simple terms, data caching is storing data in memory for quick access. See, when you are using like SQL Server database, for every time if you are taking the tables, any data, um, if you are using Gmail, it's it is having inbox. When you are going one email to the another email, it's um, very easy, and it is very fast. So how it is happening, what is our Gmail does is, it takes the table of inbox or particular account table, a big table, or any data table. It stores in our data caching in a small memory, like virtual memory. So let's see an example how it works in our data grid control. When I am storing the database in our data caching. So let's see how it works now. I just use grid view with a small button. Or okay, so what I will do is I just double click on this. Let's create a new web page. Let's add it. This also, let's take a grid view, and when I click on button, it should go to the next page, redirect. Oops. Okay, so let's build it. And for this grid view, I just use our SQL database and store a table in our grid view control and into our cache control. Let's choose like anything, like Mendo1 table, and let's have the namespace. Just take data set also. And d1 equal to okay. After that, we just fill in our data set. ds. Okay, like grid view 1 dot data source equal to ds. Grid, we need to data bind grid view dot data bind this displays our table into our data grid view control, and let's insert into the cache like a small step cache dot insert a string key like main do one. You can give any string key, and object name is data set. We are storing this data set into that, so let's see how it works now. I'm just building it. Build succeeded. What I'll do is I just use that cache here. So when I go to the page load event here, like grid view 1 dot data source equal to cache of or string name main do 1 and grid view 1 dot data bind. Let's build it, and let's go to our default dot aspx and debug our project. Let's see what happened. It should display here also. Let's take into the page load event and let's run it. See, this is our default .aspx page. It is showing our table here. When I click on the button, it also should show in the default default 2.aspx. We are not in the default 2.aspx page. We are not going to our SQL. We are not using any SQL client. We are not going to the backend every time. Anytime we are not going to backend, or we are just using the cache to get the database. See, this is very efficient, like 5000% than our previous processes, like every time going into the SQL server and taking the tables and displaying on grid view or any other thing. Got it? That is what you use data caching. You cache the data and it stores in the cache. That's it. If you have any doubts, you just use our comment window in our desibindas.com. You can see our, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.